Hi, welcome back. Today we have a Lookiero unboxing and I'm really excited. I can't wait to see what she has in store for me this month, and fingers crossed there's something in there that sticks out and that I just can't say no to, or perhaps the whole box. I hope she took my comments to heart this time, because I do need some new pieces to add to my wardrobe, and I know that everybody's lounging and the focus has really been on lounge wear for stylists, but that is the last thing that I want to add to my wardrobe. So I'm really hoping there are some smart pieces and things that I can wear on camera. So let's get started. Here it is, Lookiero. All right, let's get started here. Woo-hoo-hoo. 3 different things packaged up. Well, it already feels like I got my first accessory. So I got my first accessory. It's a bag. I'm not sure how I feel about it with the studs. Let's open it up. It's got, it looks like it's enough to fit. You can put your iPhone in it. I do like the compartment and I do like the size. It's definitely a nice going out purse. However, it does smell like it might be real leather. A cute, feminine, summery blouse. That's really cute. I kind of like that. So be interested to see how it goes on. A denim jacket that looks painfully small. I already have I do have a denim jacket already, and I like them to be slightly oversized, not too big, but they definitely should be roomy. This has a stretch to it, so I'll be interested to see what this looks on, but just at first sight, it looks way too small for me. And then, okay, so last month she gave me the red shirt, and now she's giving me the navy one, which I think I prefer red. I think red looks better on me, but we'll see how these look. And then I have a pair of white denim pants. Yeah, actually today with this shirt I was wearing, I was really hoping for a white pair of white denim. So this is definitely a potential keeper. Fingers crossed. Let's see. Let's do the try on, ladies, and hopefully she got some things right. Okay, so here is the first. Here are the jeans, and the white denim jeans. They fit. They actually went on really great. They fit. You know, they're not too tight, and they have some stretch. I decided to try these on at first with the top that I was wearing, since I initially wanted to pair this top with a with some white denim, and yeah, I do like them. They fit good, and she was right. See if I. Okay, so here's a bit more of kind of how they look, and yeah, I mean, they're comfortable. So let's see how they look with some of the other blouse. Here is the white top, and it's huge. It's just way too big, which is a bit of a bummer, because this is it with the white jeans. I think it might look better with a darker denim, an extra small in this. It's too bad because I do like this top. I think it's very feminine, but it has a very nice tailored look right here. It's definitely summer. It's a spring summer look, but yeah, it's way too big. Well, I will also try it on with the denim jacket as well. So let's give this a try. And this surprisingly denim jacket in the extra small actually fits quite nicely. And it's got a nice stretch to it as well. Camera so you can kind of see closely the detail. I wouldn't be able to button it. So it's one that can just stay open. And again, I like where it sits on the sleeves and actually doesn't fit too bad. So let's try on the other pieces. Here is the navy version of the same top that I had last month, the red top. And this is it in navy. I don't know if you can see a little bit of a close-up how that looks. Again, here it is with the denim jacket as well. So this could be dressed up or dressed down. Yeah, I mean, I liked the shirt instantly when it was red. I think the navy is also a nice look as well. And then finally, we can pair it with the crossbody real leather date night bag. This is a great, I do like this bag. I like the style of this bag. It's the most expensive piece in the box, which is a bit disappointing because, yeah, I just wish that the budget had been reserved for more clothing. So I think I'll let her know that I don't want accessories. But again, I do need to accessorize a bit more, so because I don't tend to wear accessories at all. So having an accessory every so often isn't bad. And I do like where this sits. I like this where this goes with the outfit, and with the color I could pair it with anything, and it's just a great once we can go back out into the world, I can just hold the things that I need for an evening on the town. So let me know what you think in the comments about any of the outfits, and if I should keep any or send it all back, what your thoughts are on the Lookiero. All in all, I would give this a B+. I think that everything is very nice. It's definitely season forward. I'm really bummed that the sizing was too big. So I think I'll just have to go back down to the sizing where I was. And because they're using different designers and different labels, of course, sizing is going to be different. The jeans fit absolutely perfect. This shirt fits perfect as well. So yeah, I would give it a B+. Yeah, I'm really excited. Again, with Lookiero, you do get the £10 stylist fee that you can deduct from your overall purchase. So if you do want to keep one item or two items, you do still get a bit of a discount. Total discount for this item was almost £50, which is amazing. And again, the total cost is about £123, which I get also for what we're getting in this box is a good value as well. Thanks for watching. If you haven't done so already, please click subscribe. My next video is going to be completely new. It's going to be cutting edge in terms of my YouTube channel. It's almost like a talk show, but it's just normal people. We aren't famous talk show personalities, but chatting about some really fun things like diet books from the 1950s and other things from the 1920s, and it's a lot of fun. So I hope you will stick around and wait for that video to post. And again, please let me know in the comments what you think of these outfits. And until next time, be safe, be well, and have a great day.